Hello friends. I'm facing a problem. My drawers were practically getting stuck. Over time, the plastic wheels wore out and fell apart. The metal axle was also bent. In this video we will change these wheels without buying the entire fittings. We will make the parts we need using a 3D printer. So let's try to repair the guides. First we need to cut out the metal axle. I will do this using a Dremel machine. Next, using pliers, remove the metal axle. Then I bend the plate where it was deformed due to improper operation of the box. Done. Now let's go to the computer. Next, I develop a 3D model of the spare parts one need. These are three things. The first is the axle, the second is the wheel, and the third is the plug. After everything is developed, I insert the flash drive into the 3D printer and turn it on. I have a 3D printer Creality Ender 5C1. Now we print the elements we need. Afterwards we look at the result. As you can see, we now have an axle, a wheel and a plug. Now we push the axle into the hole. Then put on the wheel and attach the plug. Before installing the plug, I will lubricate the edges of the parts with solvent, which in turn will melt the plastic and glue it together. It will turn out better than any glue. Then we screw it all into place and check it. As you can see, the wheel rotates smoothly. The wheel on the box itself also wore out, so I made it in the same way. Those wheels that are still intact, I have not yet begun to change them, but now you can do this without problems and at any time. Let's now install the box in its place and check how it opens now. As you can see, the box now opens without any problems. This way I was able to save money on buying guides and didn't have to go and look for them. In addition, the sizes of the wheels are the same, and now if another wheel wears out, I can change it without any problems. Such interesting things can be done using a 3D printer. Subscribe to the channel and press like.